Guys, this presentation is on the ukulele curved brace jig. We are curving the back of the braces for our ukulele back so that they give our back a beautiful curve. Right, what you're going to need to do is take your big long pieces of this, mark them out, and you need to cut them so that they fit in here perfectly without being able to slide back and forth, which these ones do. Thank you, team. They fit in there great. Now what we do, we take this, open the vise, put in there, nice and firm. We take the small plane, just make sure your plane will actually fit down in between these two sides here. And all we do is keep planing until it doesn't take any more off. Taking a lot off, I'm just going to adjust the plane a little bit. Bring the blade back, so I'm going to rotate this knob anti-clockwise just a little bit. That should be enough. I'm just going to take the slack up again in that knob. Right, we'll try again. That's a bit better, a bit easier to go through. I could have been really nice to you and just cut the first heap off these, but it's good practice. And if you want biceps like mine, you've got to do this sort of stuff. Starting to get there. As you get right down near the bottom, because the plane is having to follow a curve and the base of this plane is flat, I can rest this on the curve and have the high point here, or the high point here, or the high point right where the blade is. You need to make sure for the last few cuts that the plane actually rocks and all the pressure is right where the blade is. That way you get the final cut. Because I can rock this plane up and down on there. You need to try and get it so that it's actually cutting the last little bit off. Right, that's it. That is not cutting any more off there. Pop the plane on the side. And to get these out, you can just grab one of these little spikes, put it in the end, and lift them out. And there is your two braces. They have a flat bottom on them and a nice curved top. You write your name on them, pop them back in your thing.